Hi to everybody. Welcome to this new webinar in collaboration with Case Surgery. And today we are talking about the new peeling, new formulation of TC PLUS. And first of all, I want to introduce this kind of webinar because the first part will be dedicated to slideshow with the presentation of our product. And in the second part, I will show you a live session. So I have two patients of mine, and I will show you how I use this product. Let's start with our presentation. And today we are talking about TC PLUS, and it's a renewed formula, because our TC PLUS is completely reformulated. First of all, what is TC PLUS? It's a second-class medical device that is ideal peeling for all kinds of phototypes, from first phototypes up to sixth phototypes, and is dedicated to all skin types. Is made of three acids: trichloroacetic acid, mandelic acid, and kojic acid, with a peculiar indication and peculiar action. Our peeling, our TC PLUS, was born in 2060, but in 2020 we made two formulations. We renewed this formula, giving birth to TC PLUS Soft and TC PLUS Strong. The most important component of this kind of peeling is TCA. And TCA is a trichloroacetic acid that is a carboxylic acid with a particular action to stimulate and activate skin stress response syndrome, SSRS. That is able, due to the production of propiomelanocortins, to stimulate the production itself of some peptides, hormones, and also beta-endorphin. Beta-endorphin are able to stimulate directly fibroblasts, keratinocytes, and all the cellular turnover. Another action of TCA is to activate all skin proliferative process. Also by the stimulation of particular growth factors, such as PDGF growth factors, platelet-derived growth factors, TGF-alpha, TGF-beta, and vascular endothelium growth factor. In this way, is able to stimulate neoandrogenesis in our skin. So, TCA is excellent in improving the tonicity, the gloss, and the smoothness of the skin. Is perfect for stimulate the renewal of cellular turnover in action against dyschromia, and is specifically studied for treating superficial keratosis and first sight of aging. But TCA is not the only component of TC PLUS, because we have kojic acid and mandelic one. Kojic acid is studied for whitening and depigmenting action. So is excellent for inhibiting melanogenesis and for treating melasma, chloasma, and all kinds of lentigo. On the other hand, mandelic acid has a great action on superficial wrinkles, is specifically studied for improving brightening effect on the skin, for prevention of acne sign due to its antibacterial action, and is useful for treating large pores and for depigmentation action. But I was talking about the two kinds of formulation, because we can offer two types of TC plus. First kind of TC plus is the fine and the soft, because the concentration of TCA is 12%. On the other hand, we have strong formulation with 20% of concentration of TCA. They are different action, because TC plus soft is a superficial chemical peeling able to treat milder acneic lesion and superficial sign. On the other hand, the strong formulation is suitable for treating moderate to severe acneic lesion and for treating deeper aging sign. In this slide, you can see the vial of TC plus. In this case, I have soft, but vial of strong is similar. And in this slide, we give you a schema for understanding the difference between the two kinds of formulation. Because TC plus soft is able for treating corneal and granular layer of the skin. On the other hand, strong is able to treat entire thickness of the skin. The goal is a milder acneic lesion and superficial scarring for TC plus soft. Otherwise, TC plus strong is able to treat moderate to severe acneic lesion and for deeper scarring. The action is a not aggressive exfoliation for the soft formulation with depigmentation of minor dyschromia. Otherwise, strong formulation is able to obtain a deeper exfoliation and is able to treat major dyschromia. What we can see immediately? Immediately we have a reduction of superficial scars, comedon, skin blemishes and wrinkles, fine lines for soft formulation. When we talk about the strong formulation, we have the immediate reduction of medium to superficial scars and all the deeper acneic lesions, such as papules, pustules, nodules, and cystis, and skin blemish itself. So we can say that we can offer a multifunctional medical device able to treat chrono and photo aging, able to treat fine line, to treat acneic signs, useful for treating hyperpigmentation, for revitalizing skin, and for having an astringent action. So we obtain a total improvement in terms of chrono aging, photo aging, purity of the skin, and brightness. So the doctor will be able to offer to its patients customized solution, in order to treat all the young patient and the middle-aged one. Because we can use a soft formulation for treating a young patient or a patient with a very sensitive skin. And we can use TC plus strong with 20% of concentration of TCA for treating middle-aged patient or patient with a stronger skin. This from a medical point of view, but if we talk about customer needs, we can say that we can offer a customer-oriented product because suitable when we use it without needles, is a painless treatment, is a fast treatment with no post-treatment signs, so the patient are able to come back to its life immediately, and is valid all year around without any seasonality. We can treat with the same product the face, the neck, the décolleté, and the hands of the patient, tailoring the treatment on patient's needs. In this slide, we show you a schema of the application of this product, because we have to clean the focus area and then use the product through a syringe we use the needle just for dosing the product, but we don't use a needle for treating patients. Usually, I use 1.5 up to 2 ml of a product for each treatment. After the application of the treatment, we have to do an hard massage on the skin of our patient with nitrile gloves and leave it for some minutes, usually from 4 to 8 minutes, and then remove the product just using water, not other product. After the treatment, we have just to apply a moisturizing cream. Here I show you a treatment when I treat a patient, a young patient, and you can see immediately after the treatment the uniformity of the skin, major brightness of the skin. In the second photo, I will show you the effect of TC Plus Strong. And you have to note that the front of the patient is completely improved. As you can see, the evidence of the fine line is completely reduced. So why to choose TC Plus? First of all, for its quality, because it's a medical device completely made in Italy and with a completely in-house production. On the other hand, we have to choose this product for target focuses because it's suitable for treating all the kind of phototypes, all the skin types, and all the ages. And we have to choose this product because it's a painless treatment with a fast absorbment, not photosensibility, no post-treatment signs, no frost, and absolutely no seasonality. So thank you for the attention, and I will show you 2 patients. In the first patient, I will use TC Plus Soft with the traditional way of applying. In the second patient, I will show you TC Plus Strong with the needling. So I hope you enjoyed the live session. See you in 5 minutes.